Hey guys, I'm back with another video. I'll be doing a volume slash light mega set. I wouldn't really call it a extreme mega. It is sort of looking more like a volume, but go ahead and just jump right into it. Also in this video, what I will be showing you guys is just a few of my favorite tape back methods that I use to separate the lashes or to reveal the hidden lashes. This here is the NextCare tape. To be honest, this tape is extremely sticky. The pink tape that I have to the left is one of my absolute favorites. You can actually purchase the pink one off of Amazon for fairly cheap. Also, NextCare is more expensive. The only thing is with NextCare is you don't want to use that more on the older clients, which is extremely sticky. And also somebody that is extremely oily, you don't want to use the pink one. You want to use the blue one. So for example, here I will be using the pink one on her. I will not be using the eye pads because as you can see, she is wearing makeup. I do not want the eye pads to be lifting. So I will go ahead and use this pink tape. The pink tape is not sticky at all and is very gentle on the skin. Also, when placing your lash tape down, you want to make sure you are not placing the tape on the lower lash line. As you can see, there is a gap here that I had left because also if the client is oily and you place this tape down, guess what's going to happen? The tape is going to go ahead and shove right into her eye and irritate her eyeball. So you want to make sure you're using the right tape for the right client if you won't be using any under eye pads. This pink tape is very gentle. So yeah, they have other colors as well. This one is my absolute favorite. As you can see, I do have about a space in between her lash line and where I place the tape. And this is the perfect amount that you guys want to always make sure that you have available, okay? Because I do see a lot of lash artists, biggest mistake is they're placing it way too close to the lash line, and the moment you take the lash tape off, the client's eye is already so irritated, and especially if they're a sensitive client, it's not going to feel good at all. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and talk glue. So I do see this being also another common mistake when you guys are placing your glue into your glue ring, on your lash tile, wherever you guys place it. I noticed that some people are not burping the glue and cleaning the top of their glue. This is extremely important and will help keep your glue lasting a lot longer than usual. Okay, so what you want to do, you want to go ahead and purchase those glue wipes. You can get them on Amazon for extremely cheap. But what you want to do, you want to go ahead and burp your glue at least 1 to 2 pumps. And any residue that's left will pop out and you'll just wipe that away and then store it how you usually do. Okay? All right, let's go ahead and jump into this pull back method. So I will be using the pink tape to go ahead and pull these inner corner lashes. As you can see, you can still see them, but they are still a little clumped in together. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab a little piece of tape. I'm going to place the tape near her inner corner, not exactly on the inner corner. And I am going to pull. We're going to go ahead and place the end of the tape closer to the end of the eyebrow. So what this is going to do, it's going to sort of give like a little facelift to the client's lash line. And what you can see, can you go ahead and see those inner corner lashes? So those popped out, and what this does, it's going to save you so much time when you're lashing that inner corner. And also it's going to make it so much more easier. Why? Because when you don't do this, those inner corner lashes are extremely small sometimes, and they are super clumped together. So what this does, it actually pulls the lid so that those lashes appear. Okay, so this is one of my favorite things to do, and it honestly is gonna help you become a lot quicker in your lash times. Okay, so next we're gonna go ahead and be using the pull-up method. So another thing, do not use the NextCare tape when you are using the pullback method. Why? because the next care tape is extremely sticky. Those lashes are going to get stuck to that tape. And also with this pink tape, you will not have that issue, okay? Do not use the next care when using this pullback method. And what this method does, as you can see, it made the lower lashes appear. It's gonna make it extremely easier for you guys to place the fans on the lower lashes, okay? And then when you guys do remove this tape, do not just pull it off. What you wanna do, you wanna go ahead and sort of hold on to the lash extensions, and then you wanna go ahead and lift the tape off. Right here, you guys, you can also go ahead and use the same method that we use for the inner corners, just pulling the tape in the opposite direction, okay? So the same thing, you don't want to go ahead and get it too close to the outer corner, and you just want to go ahead and pull. I sometimes go ahead and use the bridge of their nose to go ahead and leave the tape, and that just gives it a little pullback, okay? Okay, let's go ahead and jump into the tape down method. So for this method, when you are doing mega volume lashes, these lashes, especially if you're doing a very long set, the lashes can tend to get in the way. So what you want to do, you want to go ahead and grab a piece of tape and just place it on one side if you're having issues placing the lash down, because you do not want your glue tip from the lash extension to touch the other lashes. So for example, can you see these lashes here? This is going to make it so much more easier for you to just place the lash down. As you can see, she has about 3 to 4. You want to make sure you're just not lashing on that little baby one there. But what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and place this lash extension on that lash, that natural lash. And this method makes it so much more easier, okay? As you can see, look at how clear that lash is right there. You have so much space, and you know for a fact that no other lashes are gonna get in your way. So we're gonna go ahead and place this lash extension down, and voila. And there you go, look at how easy that is. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove this tape. So what you wanna do, you wanna go ahead and grab a little part from the tape, and then you're gonna go ahead and hold the lash extensions down while you're removing the tape. Do this carefully. Sometimes you are able to do it faster as the tape isn't sticky at all, but for example with a mega volume or a volume set, you just want to go ahead and make sure you're doing this gentle, only because the lashes are a lot longer. Another tip, make sure you guys are brushing your lashes throughout the process. That way, if any do fall out, you can go ahead and replace the lash with another lash extension.
Now here I'm going in with the Super Bonder. You can purchase this off of Vias, not sure how you pronounce it, but all you need is just one tiny drop of this solution, and then you're going to go ahead and place along the line of where you place the lash extension glue. You do not want to place this anywhere else but the area that you applied the glue on.
Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Nano Mister. This is actually not filled with just regular water. I do put distilled water. So what this does, this actually helps cure the glue and also helps with the fumes. So what I do go ahead and creep their eye open just a tad bit, and then I do go ahead and go in with the fan just to make sure that the fumes are calm before they do open their eyes. One thing is, I do not have a problem with my clients' eyes being super red, super irritated, super watery, because I do make sure I do follow these steps before they do open their eyes. But in this video, you will see my sister's eyes are extremely red, but they were red before we started. She does have very, very sensitive eyes to begin with, and her eyes are always completely red. So it is not due to these lash extensions. Okay, now we're just gonna go ahead and go through one more brush through, and then we're gonna go ahead and do everyone's favorite part, which is removing the tape. Another thing that I like using the glue wipes. I love using the glue wipes for any tears, any say for example they have any eye burgers on the corner, I do wipe that away too. Sometimes their eyes are extremely wet just due to the fact that I nano mist a bunch of water on their eye, so sometimes I just like to wipe away any of the residue that's left, and then I just go in with one last brush through. Alright you guys, here is the final look. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys do have any other video suggestions, just go ahead and leave them down below in the comments. Please don't forget to like this video, and also if you aren't subscribed already, please do subscribe. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.